Hey guys, this is Dusty LaBossiere with LaBoss Group Real Estate and Century 21 Results. Super excited to share this one with you. 15 acres in Forsyth County, Cumming, Georgia, tucked away right in the foothills of Sawnee Mountain. Check it out. The house does come with a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom on a full basement house. That is a ranch layout. It's got a detached 2-car garage, and it's nestled right in the front of the property at the end of the very long driveway. The property also does come with its own outhouse and some usable outbuildings on the back end of the property that you'll be able to see in just a moment. Guys, there's plenty of options with this piece of property. You can come and build your dream house like the one right next door, or you can come in as a developer and build new properties for the residents of Forsyth County coming in. Market's obviously really hot. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video. If you have any questions at all about the property, reach out directly at 404-750-9236 or check us out at labossgroup.com. Thanks.